Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the McClellan Summation Index Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the McClellan Summation Index Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 829 indicators, with 337 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 38 of the winning indicators. 11 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the McClellan Summation Index Indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so in this particular indicator, it did not do over 10 trades within the 1 year's time, but this indicator does not function on a lower time frame, so it seems to only work on the daily time frame. Maybe a higher time frame than the daily, but I didn't test that. Definitely didn't work on a lower time frame than the daily. And so I went ahead and did the advanced testing on the daily time frame. You can see the indicator down here on the bottom of the screen, and the setup on this as we tested it in the original video was very similar to the standard RSI. So the full name of this indicator is the McClellan Summation Index RSI, and we have the main line here kind of oscillating through the indicator there, and we have these two lines here, an upper and a lower band. I did go in and I did bump up the line weight of the headwind and the tailwind and upped the opacity on them. Those are these upper and lower bands there, so that way they stand out just a tad bit more. And so the way we tested this in the original video was we looked for the RSI line, or the black line, to drop down into the lower area or pop up above the upper area here, that lower band or that upper band, into what is commonly referred to as the overbought, oversold areas on the RSI. And then what we looked for was that cross back into the middle section. And so, for example, if we get a break to the downside like we do right here, We then look for the RSI line to then cross back into the middle section, and that would be a signal to then go long. And so this is the same way we tested the original RSI, which means that we would have gotten a long signal right about there on this indicator, got a little bit of a pullback right here, and then a nice move to the upside, which would have gotten us to our take profit. Then we pick up a short signal. Let's see, we'll just look at this area, is trying to find a decent little move, but we'll look at this area right here. So we get that push of the RSI line up above in the overbought area, and then we get the cross back down into the center area here, the cross below that upper band, and would have gotten a short signal about right there. And we get a little bit of a push to the downside right here on these two candles. That would have been enough to get us to our take profit. So again, that's how we tested it in the original video, and that's how we tested it in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve over that 50 trade test. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what it was able to achieve in the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversation in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel that we have set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, one of our members here, Sasquatch, is an awesome Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and just kind of general analysis, chart analysis on the Forex market. He's also often posting just kind of thought experiments, links to different things, and just really good information in general, trying to help everybody out, answer questions, links to videos and stuff like that. Our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading, you can see that he is posting some information here on some indicators that he has developed. He has quite a few indicators. Some are free, some are paid, but they are all really cool indicators that he goes the next step on helping everybody out on how to use them if you're interested in using them. I think he even created an indicator, just a quick code up of an indicator. Yeah, I think it was this one right here where one of the members were asking for an exit indicator and was interested in using the Arun. And so I believe Mike just did a quick write-up on this indicator here to create an exit indicator for one of our members here. And then we have some of our other members that are also posting their trades and a different chart analysis that they have done as well. Just a really great community. Everybody's helping everybody out. Just a great community. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got out of this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of the 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades, 24 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 52% win rate. And so obviously we're not going to maintain the 60% criteria on this one. Yeah, this indicator, wish it did better than what it did. 52% win rate. It kind of seems to be around the area that we keep landing on, around the 55 to 60%, sometimes a little bit lower than the 55. But I think this indicator could be useful in throwing up on a daily time frame, just to get a general idea of the overall trend direction. and then maybe dropping down into a lower time frame with a system or a few other indicators that you've put together to pinpoint some entries into the market, using this indicator as the overall direction that you should be trading in. Something along those lines I think would probably be useful. All in all, I, like I said, wish it did better, but wasn't able to meet the 60%, so it's going to go on the no list, and we're going to move on to the next indicator from here.